guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul for you guys. Everything was picked up during the Sephora VIB sale, I think last month. I just never had the chance to film the video for you guys, but hopefully it's not too late and you guys will get some good recommendations from this video. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Sorry if you can hear the rain. The weather has been really bad today, but hopefully it's calming and ASMR. Let's first start off with some hair products. These are both from Olaplex. Love so much. So I have the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. I've been using this as kind of like a leave-in or like a hair mask before I get into the shower and wash my hair. I did hear from one of my friends that this product is for people who, you know, like bleach or like dye their hair, but I don't. I just have severely dry hair. So I use it nonetheless, kind of like a, you know, mask before, and I love it. It's so good. It makes my hair a lot smoother than it is. So highly recommend if you guys haven't tried already. And then I got a hair oil. I usually have been using the Oribe hair oil after I blow dry it when my hair is still kind of like damp. But I just wanted to give the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil a try. So I did try my friends when we were traveling together last year and it was pretty good. So I wanted to, you know, get one myself, and just looks like this. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are familiar, but it just looks like this. And I'm definitely super excited to try out a new hair oil, and I will definitely let you guys know how it is. I'm gonna talk about some skincare products as well. So this is from Lancome. I actually got the Advanced Genifique like black serum as well. I talk about that one a lot on my channel, so I got that one. I'm just like too lazy to bring it here to share with you guys, but also got the Hydrozen moisturizer. This is my second tub because it's so good, guys. Super moisturizing. I use it day and night, especially in the summer. Very, very light. It's like perfect for combination skin because it's moisturizing, but it's light and it smells like roses, and the packaging, it's super pretty as well. It's this beautiful light pink and silver, and it's a moisturizing and soothing gel cream. So yeah, definitely I can feel that it's like a gel consistency. So it's a very, very light, but still hydrating. So definitely recommend this to you guys if you're looking for like a nice summer moisturizer, because it's definitely not too heavy. So I have an eye cream as well. This one I also talked about a lot as with the Lancome serum, but this is the Kiehl's Avocado Creamy Eye Treatment, which looks like this. I'm pretty sure most of you guys are pretty familiar with this or have tried it out yourselves. So it's one of my favorite eye creams. It's just like a very good thick eye cream to put on morning and night, and I've been in need of an eye cream, so this is definitely perfect. I'm gonna start using it. But yeah, this is the smaller version. I'm pretty sure they have like a bigger version of this, but it's like too big. So I think this is perfect. Great for traveling, and it's just great to keep your eye area moisturized because that's the area where I feel like is pretty easy to like age. So definitely keep your eyes moisturized. I think if you're in like your early 20s or like even mid 20s, I think this is definitely a great eye cream to choose. And if you guys like my nails, I will have my nail Instagram in the description box below for you guys to check out, but like, love them. I got a mini perfume. I have my entire perfume collection over there. I have a lot of perfumes, guys. Well, like not a lot, but like I feel like a lot for like the average girl to use. So I feel like now in the future, I kind of want to buy like smaller versions. You know, just makes sense. So this is from Clean. This is the Radiant Nectar Clean Reserve perfume, and this smells so good, guys. I had a sample of it, and whenever I used it, guys, I would actually get compliments. So I was like, that is my cue to buy it, you know? Pretty big bottle if you guys will, but this is in the scent Radiant Nectar, and it's so good. Like legit, whenever I used that sample, people would compliment me and say I smell good. I was thinking to myself, I'm like, bro, why do people not comment on how good I smell when I use my full-size perfumes? So I decided to pick this up. Honestly, if I like it or whatever, maybe I'll pick up the full size later on, but I'm just thinking like I have so many perfumes and I have a couple more on my list that I want to buy. So this will do for now, and I'm like super excited to start using it. Speaking of perfumes, guys, I got 2 samples. Whenever I order from Sephora, I always get their samples as like I always get their perfumes as samples because I feel like that's just the most bang for your buck. So I got Gucci Bloom, and I also got Bad Boy by Carolina Herrera. I have no idea what this one is, but yeah, I mean, I'm excited to try it out. I always like bringing these with me when I'm traveling because it's just like easy. You can probably throw it out as well, like just hassle-free, you know what I'm saying? So, okay, so this is the birthday gift that I made my boyfriend get me. So his birthday was in April and he had a VIB account, so I was like, go get this for me. This is basically a glow recipe, you know, serum and toner set. Surprisingly, I've never tried Glow Recipe before, so try out the mini sizes, see how I like it. If I do, maybe I will pick up the full size, but it's just such a cult favorite and I can't believe I've never tried out their products before, so very excited to try these out. So I didn't pick up too much makeup this time from the sale just because I feel like I have so much stuff already. On my list though, I do want to try the Glossier makeup remover. I also want to try out like Glossier lip products, as well as the Summer Friday like butter lip balms. Like that is so popular and I just like really want to try it. So those are on my list, but right now I have 3 makeup items I just stocked up on. First, Hourglass Vanish Airbrush Concealer. This is so good. Definitely one of my favorite concealers right now. It's just so luxurious because for the longest time I used the Sephora concealer, like the Sephora collection one. I still like that one, very great as well. Very lightweight, but I just wanted one that's a little bit more hydrating and more full coverage. So this one ticked off all the boxes, I feel like, when I was doing my concealer research. So I already have this one. This is my second one, but this is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer in the shade Cotton. It's just like the perfect shade for me. I think like the lightest warm tone shade is like perfect for me. So I picked up another one. And then Nars Chelsea Girls Afterglow Lip Shine. So I have the shade Unbroken and I just really wanted Chelsea Girls. So here it is. How beautiful is this shade, guys? So beautiful. If you want to check out how this one looks, I have like pictures of me wearing this on my Instagram, but I also, like, you can probably search this up on Sephora. They have so many swatches, but it's the most beautiful nude pink. So just like definitely look up swatches, but try this out, guys. I think it'll complement every skin tone. I love this like Nars collection of lip glosses. I really want to try out Aragon, is that how you pronounce it? But it's like the darker red sparkly version. So yeah, I love this lip gloss so much, guys. And then last product is the Merit Clean Lash Mascara. So the lengthening tubing mascara is what they call it. One of my favorite mascaras, guys. So good. Like seriously, this is probably the only mascara that doesn't smudge on me, doesn't run, but also like it's easy to remove. I feel like I've talked about this a lot as well, but Merit mascara, so good. I feel like Merit just caters to people who, you know, want a more natural finish, but are also like just starting out with makeup. You can't go wrong with Merit products. So 3 little makeup items. But that's pretty much the end of today's Sephora haul, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed until the end, I'll have everything linked in the description box, as well as the Instagram to my nails, guys. Definitely check it out, as well as check out all my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.